How to fix Spotify not detected on Discord on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your device or your phone. Then you will go directly to apps or application. Then here you will find all the application that you have on your phone. So what you should do right now, just search for Spotify. And when you found Spotify, guys, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, the last button in the bottom of the screen. Click on it and click OK, and go back again and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go to Play Store and you have to update your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.